Hi friends, this video shows how to enable ADB debugging. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, select about. Under about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find new option, developer options. Select it. So these are a list of developer options. From this list we need to find let me select USB debugging. See, this is a USB debugging or ADB debugging. Let me enable. Select OK. See, this way we can enable USB debugging or ADB debugging. And later if you want to disable, you can disable here. Done. So we can also disable developer options. I recommend to disable developer options after the use because of security issues. Let me disable. Done. Then go back. See, now under system it is not showing developer options because I have disabled. So this way we can enable ADB debugging. Please try. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.